Greece, Cyprus. Saudi Arabia says it wants a fair solution for Palestine. Australia expresses interest to invest in the energy sector of Pakistan. 24 killed in clashes in northern Yemen. China to decorate individuals who played a role against COVID-19. US Navy searches for missing Nimitz sailors in the Arabian Sea. Air Force's Day is being observed with National Zeal today on 7 September against Indian aggression in September 1965 war. New Zealand PM restart campaign with holiday flag. Hamas leader says the group has missiles that can hit Tel Aviv. And a rare victory for Afghan woman Kabul to include mother's name on ID. Almost 300 Rohingya refugees arrived in Indonesia at province. 3 missiles target Baghdad airport. Dubai Emirates refund $1.4 billion to customers affected by COVID-19 travel restrictions. Saudi court sentences 3 suicide bombers to death. Indonesia police have killed 3 suspected militants after a fatal attack on an officer in Suci city.